How to add friends on Bigo Live. Open Bigo Live and use the search bar at the top to type the username or ID of the person you want to add as a friend. From the search result, tap their profile to open their page. On their profile, tap the Add Friend or Follow button. This sends a friend request to them. Once they accept your request, you will be friends. You can now chat privately, join each other's live rooms, and more. Also, you can add friends by tapping their username in chat or viewer list and then selecting Add Friends or Follow from the pop-up menu. And that's it. Now you know how to add friends on Bigo Live and build your streaming circle. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more Bigo Like tips. See you in the next one.